Okay, so last week we have already discussed the standard form of equation of a circle, which is in a form of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, which is equal to r squared. That is our standard. Okay, so today we're going to discuss the expanded form of our equation of a circle. Expanded form of equation of a circle is in a form of x squared plus 2hx plus y squared plus 2ky equals to c. That is the expanded form of our equation of our circle. For example, the given the center and the radius of our circle, we have center negative 5 and 0 and a radius which is equal to 4.8. So we're going to write the equation of a circle into expanded form. Since we have already discussed, I mean the expanded form of our,
Yo, that man's moving mad, teacher. Your salary's been cut.
okay, so that means we're going to write the expanded form of our equation. So let's solve for the expanded form. Expanded form is x squared plus 2hx plus y squared plus 2ky equals to r squared or c squared. That is our expanded. So let's solve for our expanded form of our equation. So using the expanded form to solve, the standard form to solve for the expanded, we have x minus h, the value of h is negative 5 squared plus y minus k, which is equal to 0 squared equals to the radius, which is 4.8 squared. So expand the quantities that is inside of the parenthesis, which is x minus negative 5. So x minus negative 5, it will be x plus 5. X plus 5 times x plus 5 is equal to x squared plus 10x plus y minus 0 squared is equal to y squared equals 4.8 squared, 4.8 times 4.8, which is equal to 23.04. So the expanded form of our equation of the circle is x squared plus 10x plus y squared equals to 23.04. That's how we solve for the expanded form of our equation. Or you can use the easy way in writing the expanded form, since ito yung expanded form of our equation. For example, we have a new set of center and radius. For example, we have center 32.32 and a radius of 4. Our expanded is x squared plus 2hx plus y squared plus 2ky equals to r squared. Just substitute the given value of h and k in and also the radius in your expanded. So you have x squared plus 2 times the value of h, which is 3, x plus y squared plus 2 times the value of k, which is positive 2, y equals to the radius, which is 4 squared. So simplify the equation. So you have x squared, 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. So 6x plus y squared, 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So you have 4y equals to 16. So x squared plus 6x plus y squared plus 4y equals 16 is our expanded form of equation of the given circle that has a center which is 3, 2, and a radius of 4. So that's how we solve for the expanded form of our equation. Question about expanded form?
Teacher,
Yes po, Job.
in the first example, you got x squared plus 10x. How'd you get it?
In the first example, how did we get 10x?
Yeah.
We get the 10x, the same with this one. Diba our center a while ago is negative 5 and 0. That's our center in the first example. So okay, let's go back to the example. This is our center a while ago. If you want to use in solving the expanded form of the equation using the standard form, it will look like this. X minus negative 5 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals to 4.8 squared. If you want to use the standard in solving for the expanded form of the equation, so x minus negative 5 will be x plus 5 squared plus y minus 0 squared equals to 23.04. X plus 5 squared, that means you're going to multiply x plus 5 twice by itself. So x plus 5 times x plus 5 using your FOIL method or distributive property, you will be having x squared plus 10x plus 25. We're going to solve for x plus 5 squared. It will be x plus 5 times x plus 5 plus y minus 0 squared. It will be y minus 0 times y minus 0. So you have y squared, since 0 times 0 is equal to 0. It's 23.04. So we get the 10x from multiplying the quantity x plus 5 or our binomial x plus 5. That's how we get the 10x. So let's have another example. For example, we have the center of our equation of our circle is at a point of 4 and negative 3, and a point on the circle 2 and 1. So that means the radius is not given. So we're going to solve for the radius. Solving for the radius, we have the formula. Radius is equal to the square root of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. That's our formula for the radius. So let's solve for the radius given the center and a point of a circle. So you have for the value of x, we have positive 2. Value for h, we have positive 4 squared plus value of y is positive 1 Value of k is negative 3, so it will become positive 3 plus 3 squared. So 2 minus 4 is equal to negative 2 squared plus 4 squared. We have 4 plus 16, which is equal to 20. Square root of 20 means our radius is equal to 4.47 or 4.5. Let's use one decimal point. We have 4.5 as our radius. Since we have already the radius, we can now proceed in solving the equation of our circle. So radius is equal to 4.5. Value of h is 4. K is negative 3. Okay. So let's write the expanded form of our equation. Expanded form is x squared plus 2hx plus y squared plus 2ky equals to c. Okay. How do we get the c? In getting the c of your equation in expanded form, c is equal to h squared plus k squared plus the radius squared. Okay. That's where we get the c in the expanded form. H squared plus k squared plus r squared. So let's write it in the formula na lang so it will not be confusing. We have the expanded form h squared plus k squared plus r squared. Okay. That is for our expanded form of equation of circle. So x squared. So x squared plus 2 times the value of h, which is positive 4, x plus y squared plus 2 times the value of k, which is negative 3, y equals h squared, which is positive 4, plus k squared, which is negative 3, plus r squared, which is 4.5 squared. So x squared plus 2 times 4, which is equal to 8x, plus y squared. 2 times negative 3, which is equal to negative 6y, equals 4 squared is equal to 16. 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. 25 plus 4.5 squared, which is equal to 20.25. So we have 45.25. So that is our expanded form of equation. Question in the expanded form of equation of a circle. Sige. Okay na tayo with the expanded form or hindi pa? One more please. Sige. So for example, we have the center of our circle is at a point of positive 1 and positive 3. That's the center of our circle. And it has a radius which is equal to 3. And we're going to write the expanded form of our equation. Expanded form of equation of a circle is in a form of x squared plus 2hx plus y squared plus 2ky equals to h squared plus k squared plus radius squared. It's what we're going to use for us to be able to write the expanded form of the equation. So since that is the expanded form, it means what we're going to need to solve for our equation is the value of h, the value of k, and the value of our radius. For our h, we have positive 1. For k, we have positive 3. And for radius, we also have positive 3. So substitute the given value of h, k, r in the expanded form. So x squared will not change. Still will remain as x squared plus 2 times the value of h, which is 1, x plus y squared plus 2 times the value of k, which is 3, y equals to h squared. So 1 squared plus k squared, which is 3 squared, plus the radius, which is also 3 squared. So simplify or perform the operation indicated in each term of the number. So we have x squared. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So you have 2x plus y squared. 2 times 3, which is equal to 6y equals 1 squared is equal to 1. 3 squared is equal to 9. 3 squared is equal to 9. So 9 plus 9 plus 1 is equal to 19. So that is the expanded form of our equation of a circle. Okay na? With the expanded?
Where can I copy first?
Okay, copy first. Okay na, job? Okay. So let's try if we have fraction since yun ang magiging request ni Gabi. Okay. In-anticipate ko ng request ni Gabi eh. Alam ko mag-request siya ng fraction so bibigyan ko ng fraction. Okay.
Okay.
For example, we have this center of our equation and a radius. Sige, wag muna tayo dun sa point of dun muna tayo sa may radius para hindi mahirap. For example, we have the center of our circle in a point of 2/3 and 1/5. So for example, that is the center of our circle. And it has a radius.
What type of a circle is that?
A radius which is equal to 7/3. That's the radius of our circle. And we're going to write the expanded form of our circle using the expanded form, which is x squared plus 2hx plus y squared plus 2ky equals to h squared plus k squared plus r squared. Solve. So x squared plus 2 times the value of h, which is 2/3, x plus y squared plus 2 times the value of k, which is 1/5, y equals to h squared. So 2/3 squared plus 1/5 squared plus 7/3 squared. So again, let's solve the expanded form of our
It's solved.
equation. We will not um, convert the fraction into decimal, ha? We should have a fraction answer.
What? No. That's
Dahil
it.
hiniling mo ito, Gabi, you are the one who requested for the fraction.
Yeah, because you can turn fractions into decimals. You can
No, we're not going.
decimalize it.
No, we're not going to convert it into decimal form. It will remain as a fraction form. So we have x squared. 2 times 2/3 is equal to 4/3 x plus y squared plus 2 times 1/5 is equal to 2/5 y equals 2/3 squared is equal to what?
I can
What is
tell you in
2/3
that
squared?
decimal.
No, not
I
in
can tell you the
decimal
decimal.
form. Not in the decimal form. In fraction form. 2/3
Over
squared.
9.
Okay, we have 4/9 plus 1/5 squared is equal to what?
1/10.
1/10. 1/10? Sure ka ng 1/10?
1/25.
1/25. Hala, Gabi.
2 is just muddy.
Plus 7/3 squared is equal to what?
49/9.
We have 49/9. So simplify the equation that we have. So we have x squared plus 4/3 x plus y squared plus 2/5 y equals 4/9 plus 1/25 plus 49/9 is equal to what?
Tell you in decimal.
In fraction form. Wala na? What is 4/9? What's the sum of 4/9 plus 1/25 plus 49/9?
49/9 plus 4/9 is
It's equal
58/9. That's all I can do.
58/9? 53/9.
Oh, I thought that was 9. Wait, I'm on some joke thing. Hold on, I thought that was 9.
Plus 1/25. Oh, 53/9 plus 1/25 is equals to what?
Pretty sure. How'd you
Ayan.
get 53/9?
How did we get 53/9? We add this one. 49, 4/9 plus 49/9. Since they have the same denominator, so we can add them.
Oh, okay.
What about 53/9 plus 1/25?
That cannot be done. They don't have the same denominator. So we give up. This is our
We give
final
up.
answer. This is our final answer. Yeah, yeah.
Ano we give up? No, you're going to find the LCD since they are not the same denominator.
265 over 45.
200 again? 200
265 over 45.
45. 45, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 265 over 25. So that is our expanded form of our equation. So we have x squared plus 4 third x plus y squared plus 2/5 y equals 265 over 45. Okay, so that's how you're going to solve if the given is in a fraction form. Your answer should be also in a fraction form. I will not allow in the decimal form.
Hey, teacher, why?
You're
Teacher,
all-
why? Teacher.
Gabby, you doomed us all.
Suspend me. Why?
Because you're always converting fraction into decimal. You forgot
Yeah.
already how to,
That's
you know,
very good.
you forgot na how to solve fraction. If you keep
That's
on
good.
doing that, that's good.
Fractions
That's
are
good.
cursed. Fractions are cursed. Look at that. Look at equals 265 over 45. That's still a division. That's not the final answer. It's cursed.
Yeah,
You need
you
to
can.
finish it, and then it's a decimal finish. Nothing to do with that. Nothing to look at. A fraction is a division in progress. It's cursed, not a thing in math.
Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, po. Yes, Joe.
can this not be in the exams?
Because Gabby requested the fraction, so it will be included in your exam.
Expel him now!
So thank you, Gabby, for that wonderful idea. A bright idea coming from Gabby that fractions should be included in your exam. Okay? And since it's in fraction form, so your answer should be in a fraction form. Walang magko-convert into decimal, ha? Okay, let's continue our discussion. Okay, now with the expanded, are we okay with the expanded form of equation? Okay na tayo? Okay, so let's proceed in identifying if the given point is on the circle, in the circle, or outside the circle. So in identifying if the given point is on the circle, in the circle, or outside of the circle, we're going to use the inequality symbol. If you have greater than symbol or greater than, then means the point is outside of the circle. If you have a statement from solving from the standard form of the equation, if the statement is less than, that means the point is inside of the circle. If the statement of your standard equation is equal, that means the given point is on the circle. So that's how you can classify or identify if the given point is outside the circle, inside the circle, or on the circle. If we have a statement of greater than, that's outside. We have less than statement, it will be inside the circle. If it's equal, it means the point is on the circle. For example, we have the point given the standard equation of our circle, which is x minus 13 squared plus y minus 6 squared equals to 5 squared. That is our standard equation. And we're going to identify if the point 14.8 is on, outside, or inside of the circle. So solve using the standard equation. The value for x and y is the given point that we have, which is 14 and 8. That's the value of x and y. So x minus 13 squared plus y minus 6 squared equals to 5 squared. Value for x is 14. 14 minus 13 squared plus value of y is 8 minus 6 squared equals to 5 squared. So 14 minus 13 is equal to 1 squared plus 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2 squared equals to 5 squared. So 1 plus 4 equals to 25. So 5 and 25, what symbol are we going to use in the statement? Greater than, less than, or equal? What symbol are we going to use?
Less than.
Less than. So since we use less than, as our symbol of the statement, from the solution that we have, the given point 14.8, since we use less than, the point 14.8 is inside of the circle. Since we have a statement which is less than. Okay. So let's try another point. Given the same equation of a circle. Can I clear your screen with this one? Okay na? Can I clear the screen? So for example, we have the point 2 and 20 and 9. That's our point. Calculators na din kasi ni Sen mo, Gabi.
We whipped and then I didn't know you. I didn't think you check. You don't check.
Anong you
Teacher,
don't
I
check?
don't know. Wrong URL. Calculatorsoup.com.
So we have 29 as our point, and you're going to identify if it's inside, outside, or on the circle. So the same equation of a circle, we have x minus 13 squared plus y minus 6 squared equals to 5 squared. Value for x is 20 minus 13 squared plus y equals to 9 minus 6 squared equals to 5 squared. So 20 minus 13 is equal to 7 squared plus 3 squared equals to 25. So 49 plus 9 equals to 25. 49 plus 9, which is equal to 58. So 58 is greater than 25. So since it's greater than, that means this point, which is that has a coordinate of 20 and 9, is outside of the circle. Since we have greater than statement. Okay. Let's have another example for identifying if the given point is in what position of our circle. Can I clear the screen with this example? For example, we have the point that has a coordinate of 16 and 2. Okay. So the same equation of circle that we're going to use in identifying the given point. We have 16 minus 13 squared plus 2 minus 6 squared equals to 5 squared. So 16 minus 13 is equal to 3 squared plus a negative 4 squared equals to 5 squared. So 3 squared is 9 plus 16 equals to 25. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, which is equal also to 25. Since we have an equal statement, that means the point that has a coordinate of 16 and 2 is on the circle or on the circumference of our circle. The point 16 and 2. Okay na with this example. Sige, nagsusulat pa si Job. Okay na, Job? Can I clear the screen? Okay. For example, we have the equation and we're going to identify if the given point is on the circle, outside of the circle, or inside of the circle. Example, the equation of the circle is x minus 5 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals to 2 squared. So that is our equation of the circle. And we have a point that we're going to identify if it's on, inside, or outside of the circle. We have the point negative 3 and positive 2. That's the coordinate of our point. Okay. What will be the position of this point in the equation of the circle? Can you try to solve? Is it outside, inside, or on the circle?